In my last video, I talked about some of my favorite cities that won't blow your budget. But today, I'm going to talk about a city that would have a hard time marketing itself as a budget destination, but that I'll hope you'll visit anyway. Bath is one of my favorite cities to visit, but it is well known for being touristy and expensive. And I'm not going to lie to you, it is full of tourists, and the prices can rival even those of London. But do not despair. You can visit and even stay in Bath without breaking the bank. If you're going to stay in Bath for a night or two, you can find more affordable accommodations about 20 to 30 minutes walk from the city center. And just like anywhere in the country, you'll see lower prices if you visit in the off-season. I visited in February and November. The weather might be a bit gloomier, but the city will still be spectacular. One of the great things about Bath is that there are about 1 million places to eat. Many are reasonably priced cafes and pubs. You don't have to go fancy. I recommend the Raven, a traditional pub with an excellent pie and chips. As for attractions to visit, some of the best things to see in Bath are free. My favorite spot in the city is the spectacular Royal Crescent. Living there certainly wouldn't fit into my budget, but I can certainly enjoy a walk around or a picnic on the lawn. You can also visit the Circus, a circle of townhouses around a green, the Assembly Rooms, a set of Georgian rooms used for all sorts of events, and Bath Abbey. If you ever see a more beautiful church than this one, please let me know. Now, one of the main draws to Bath is certainly the Roman baths. As a history nerd, I knew I was willing to spend the £20 entrance fee, which at the time was about $30. This was well worth the money for me. Currently, you can save a few pounds on the entrance fee if you visit on a weekday instead of the weekend. If you love parks and gardens, then you could happily spend your whole visit in Royal Victoria Park, the Parade Gardens, and Sydney Gardens. If you're willing to make a bit of an uphill climb, head up to Alexandra Park and the Bath Skyline Walk for stunning views of this beautiful Georgian city. Have you visited Bath? What were your favorite sights to see? Or are you planning a trip soon? What are you looking forward to the most?